Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a PUMA promo code that helped me save a ton of money on my PUMA order, completely free. If you're looking for the latest PUMA discount codes, promo codes, or coupons, make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss anything. How do you get the PUMA promo code? First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. Next, head over to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type in PUMA. Click on the PUMA result, scroll down, and you'll see the available PUMA promo codes and deals. Tap the Show Coupon button to instantly reveal your code. One important thing to keep in mind: these PUMA coupon codes are limited and exclusive, so you'll need to unlock your personal promo code before someone else uses it. If you want the exact link and step-by-step instructions, check out the pinned comment below. I've explained exactly where and how to get your PUMA promo code so you can start saving right away.